Hello there everybody. I got an email from a chap called Vishal and it included a little sketch of something he's trying to model in Design Spark Mechanical. It's like a funnel but with perforated cone part here. Apparently it's a part for a fluidized bed. He's having trouble modelling it in Design Spark Mechanical, so I figured out a way of doing this, and here it is. The first thing I'm going to do is to put a big rectangle on here, which will give me the whole screen with a grid on it rather than just the fiddly bit in the middle. Now we're going to start drawing the funnel. We'll select the line tool and we'll start drawing the inside profile of the funnel. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Make the lip 8 millimeters, and this angle here should be 135. So we'll tab to the angle 135, tab, so that angle will stay 135. We just need this length now. We'll bring that down to the 10 millimeter line from here to there, and somewhere about there for the bottom pipe. Escape. Now we'll duplicate that line and select the offset, double click, and then we can move that away 2, and that's nice. So we now just need to connect up the ends. And we can dispense with this temporary lines, but we now want a centre line down here, so we'll use a construction line, put that down the middle, and then P for pull, select our profile, I'm going to rotate it, select an axis, that's the axis, and full pull, and we have our funnel shape. Select the inner surface of the cone. Okay. Put a sketch plane on. I want to move it a bit. Come on. Move greater, that's the one. So I want to move it off. Right there we can see a bit of the inner cone. Now we square it up. And we can put some circles on. Want to be below here, below the rim. So we'll put one on there, 2 millimeters, yes, and somewhere above here, one there, 2 millimeters. And we've got 4 roughly equally spaced. We now D for design mode. Still got the pull tool, select, over a bit, select the inner surface, hold the control key, and we want to cut the material, so there's the cut tool, left button and drag, and we've got holes through. Next thing to do is we'll square this up nicely, and we, with the select tool selected, select these through holes. Make sure they're selected right through, and now we're going to move them. Now I want to move this a little bit so that we can drag this and pop it onto the side wall. That gives us a nice rotation here to rotate about. And we're going to create patterns. Make sure the patterns is selected. Rotate this in the direction of the arrow until we get a pattern emerging. That'll do. Whoops, go back a bit. It's a bit sluggish. There. We've got a pattern of 6. So just change that type 31 or 30 or whatever. Return. Now it's going to take a while. It's got a hourglass thing. Take a short while, and there it is. So I hope that was fun and useful. So please subscribe, and I'll see you again quite soon. Bye.